Hey guys, it's your girl JAYRAY, and today we're opening a 2-pack Pokeball tin and collector chest for Sword and Shield. Ooh, zoom on in. So first, let's get these two lovelies out. I'm going to start off with the Pokeball tin because it's a little bit easier to get out of the box. And with a little bit of wiggle, oh, this is actually wider than I thought it would be. It's like an actual little lunch box right there. That's pretty cool. We've got a nice little set. I like it. What to start off with? How about the Pokeball? So, one thing to know about these Pokeball tins is that they come with different little codes and number letter sequences on the bottom. So that kind of lets you know that it has different packs in there. They come with 3 booster packs, and it tells us whoop, whoop, right there on the bottom front. It also comes with 1 Pokecoin. You can hear that wiggling around. But the code on the bottom lets you know kind of what packs you're going to get out of there. Different letters and numbers get different things. I have opened a D20, A20, and K19 Pokeball tin before. And this is going to be my first H19. So once we get this unraveled, we'll see what's inside. That's a nice little great ball right there. They also come in different styles. So this one's the great ball. Oh, and already I see an Evolutions XY pack. Oh, with a Venusaur on front and a Sun and Moon. I actually did not expect a Sun and Moon base set. You never know what you're going to get. And Primal Clash. Oh, XY Primal Clash. These are some good packs right here. I'm kind of afraid to open these. There's our lovely Great Ball. And we're going to slide our packs to the side. This lunch box is nicely sealed. And if we take a look at the front corner, it already says that the treasure chest comes with 3 foil cards for Grookey, Scorbunny, and Sobble, 5 Pokemon booster packs, and much more. Looking at the picture, it's a little hard to see what kind of packs there are, but it seems like we're going to get 2 Sword and Shield base sets. Cosmic Eclipse, Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion, and possibly another XY. Ooh, let's find out. Are my nails sharp enough for this right now? Ooh, I think I got something on the lip. I can. Nope. We're gonna need to get some scissors in here, some sharp cut. Yep. There we go. That's good. So we've got nice cut right there. The collector's chest is very nicely sealed. There's actually no holes in it to kind of grab. You've got to make the cut. Ooh, and that's the lunchbox. Nice and shiny. Ooh. And maybe we should open it like a lunchbox, see what we have inside. Oh, that's nice. We've got the Scorbunny, Grookey, and Sobble holographics on front. And the combined 3 coin. Looking nice. And set those to the side. So already on top, our collector's chest is starting off with a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, packed very nicely. Ooh, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows again. Packed so neat. And a Blastoise! Ah, evolutions. Gently. As gently as I can. Oh. Take it out. There we are. We've got Venusaur and Blastoise. Let's see what we've got over here. Sword and Shield base set and Sword and Shield base set again. So it actually did match what the front showed us. And then we've got our code card right there. The much more. Let's find out. Oh, stickers. I like those. You got some stickers over here, a couple different kinds. That's the much more. And it looks like, oh, that's pretty neat. I like that. It's a little notepad. I'm definitely using that. All my important notes. Oh, and a nice little binder. That's looking good. So the much more is pretty neat. You've got a notepad, some stickers, and a binder featuring Grookey, Scorbunny, and Sobble. So we will close up the tin and kind of set that right there, as well as the Pokeball. There we are. And we did get some awesome packs pulled from the Pokeball and the collector's chest. Let's see what they are. Primal Flash from the Pokeball. Sun and Moon base set. Again, the Pokeball. And the Evolutions XY with Venusaur. Now, as you can tell, in the Pokeball, they don't exactly fit all that nicely as they do in the packaging in the chest. There's a little crumple on the bottom, but I have opened cards from these kind of packs before, and the cards themselves come out pretty well. And then coming from the chest, we've got Crimson Invasion, the Sword and Shield base set. Ooh, Sword and Shield base set again. I do like that Lapras pack art. And a nice looking XY Evolutions with Blastoise. And Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. So I'm loving it, guys. That is what we've got from our collector's chest and Great Ball Pokeball tin. Thank you guys again for watching. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. See you next time.